So the task of the Maverick is again simple this evening. Analyze and clarify another sporting controversy. Another Monday Night Football red card. This one issued to Montego Bay United striker Dino Williams in the game against FC Reno. I think this was a harsh red card. And here why. Referees are not robots, and they must apply context and common sense to all such major decisions. Look at the play from the start. Dino Williams was fouled twice in the sequence. Fouled from behind and then fouled again by Renario Downswell with a boot to his chest. Obviously, Williams retaliated by grabbing and pushing off the Reno player, who fell awkwardly and could have hurt himself. But that is neither here nor there. It all comes back to context. Dino Williams has had a life and a career plagued by injuries. He got hacked from behind, no call, and within seconds, a high boot to his midrib. Dino Williams' reaction was instinctive self-defense, naturally understandable under the circumstances, and deserved nothing more than a yellow card. And let's be reasonable. Look at it again. This tackle by Downswell was deliberate and, to my mind, a dangerous offense. A high boot followed through, which was unprovoked. Dino Williams' reaction was provoked, and to my mind, less deliberate and with less violent intent. Let me put it this way. If I was a referee, I would deem Dino Williams' reaction understandable retaliation and give him a yellow card, and then tell Downswell to get up off of the ground, and for his high boot tackle, me give him a yellow card too, and say, gentlemen, get on with the game. I don't have to rest this case. I don't have to rest this case. This case rests itself.